Hey there, Order Now viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a classic in our hands, the iPhone XR. This iconic device has been around for a while, but it's still a fantastic choice for many. In this video, we'll delve into the iPhone XR, exploring its features, performance, and why it's still relevant in today's tech landscape. First, let's talk about design. A stunning all-screen design pushes the display of iPhone XR to its edges. The most durable front glass ever in a smartphone is wrapped in an elegantly matched anodized band. Made from durable 7000 series aerospace-grade aluminum, and the glass-back design enables wireless charging. Now, onto the display. The iPhone XR boasts 6.1-inch liquid retina display, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. Although it's not as fancy as the Super Retina on the higher-end models, it remains impressive for everyday use, from browsing to streaming your favorite content. Don't be fooled by its affordability. The iPhone XR packs a punch under the hood. It's powered by the A12 Bionic chip, which means snappy performance and excellent multitasking capabilities, and you can enjoy a seamless user experience. Face ID is faster on iPhone XR, enabled by software optimizations and a faster secure enclave. The TrueDepth camera system uses precision depth sensing, technology that goes far beyond the capabilities and security of two-dimensional facial scanners. To unlock iPhone, use Apple Pay. Gain access to secure apps and many more features with just a simple glance. iPhone XR features a 12-megapixel f1.8 aperture wide-angle lens, with an all-new sensor delivering faster autofocus, while larger and deeper pixels improve image fidelity and low-light performance. On photos and videos, improvements to the ISP, Neural Engine, and improved software algorithms enable portrait photos with a beautiful bokeh effect. Smart HDR brings better highlight and shadow detail across photos. New depth control allows users to adjust the depth of field, both in real-time preview and post-capture, to create striking portraits with a beautiful bokeh effect. Selfies have never looked better with an enhanced portrait mode. On the front-facing TrueDepth camera and portrait lighting for dramatic studio lighting effects. On the software front, the iPhone XR runs on iOS 12, providing a smooth and user-friendly experience. It's compatible with the latest apps and receives regular updates from Apple, ensuring you're always up to date and secure. Let's talk battery life. The iPhone XR impresses with its endurance. You can easily get through a full day of heavy use on a single charge. It's a reliable companion for your daily tasks and entertainment needs. The iPhone XR lasts up to 90 minutes longer than the iPhone 8 Plus. Talk time is up to 25 hours, internet use up to 15 hours, video playback is up to 16 hours, and audio playback is up to 65 hours. Enhance your iPhone XR experience with a range of accessories. From protective cases to wireless chargers, personalize it to match your style and needs. iPhone XR made by Apple, all accessories. AirPods Pro 2nd Generation, AirPods 3rd Generation, AirPods 2nd Generation, AirPods Max, HomePod Mini, MagSafe Charger, AirTag, USB-C power adapter, Lightning to USB cable. Magic Keyboard with numeric keypad, US English, Lightning Digital AV adapter, polishing cloth. iPhone XR clear case. Product links are available in the description. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the iPhone XR. Despite being a few years old, it still holds its own in today's tech landscape. With a stylish design, a capable camera, and dependable performance, it's a smartphone that continues to offer great value. Please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for our next video.